You know, when it's just one of those days, and then one of those days turn into one of those weeks, and one of those weeks, and then one of those weeks turn into one of those months, and one of those months turn into one of those years, and motherfucking can't record a vlog. Oh no, Nova! Okay, man, I just started the vlog. Hold this. Hello there! No. Yep.
Just be careful.
Yep.
Now watch, Jess, I pick up the fruit and you'll keep it with that, huh?
Of course.
See, hand in bag. See how responsible your sister is? I would have just walked away.
We're not a very responsible family. This is very well known. You were standing still for a little bit. That's new.
Why?
The other dogs there, and then maybe then I said the dogs are alive. I need to give them an adopted dog here, Jess.
What's it? I've got one. What's up, vlog? So today we are here at the Route 44 market. We are hanging out. We're gonna eat some food, buy some things, and just give it a look. I thought it'd be cool to bring you guys along with me. We brought Nova with, so that'll be a bit of an adventure. Oh, unhook her leg. But yeah, let's do this.
I filmed for a drama project the other day.
Oh yeah?
Great.
Hey baby. So as we walked into the Route 44 market today, they've got the WIF project here, which is another organization that helps adopt abandoned dogs. So it's so hard not to get another one, but I have this one, so I think it'll be okay. Come on, Beanie. I want a beer or a Savannah or something. The Route 44 market, and there's people behind me like umming and ahhing, and it's fun. So yeah, we're trying to get food right now, and when we get food, I'll let you know what food we choose. So yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story.
You can hear her barking.
Do you want to go? I don't mind.
I might get this one. Okay, so we've just been walking around now, looking at some things, and we had some food, which was really nice. But oh god, my phone is dying. Unfortunately, recording on my phone kills the battery quite a bit. So I'm not sure how many clips I got. But yeah, it's quite hard to film and have Nova on the lead because she's pulling quite a bit. So I'm going to, I don't know, see what I still can film, and if I can't film too much, then there's always tomorrow because I'm going to another market tomorrow. I'm going to the Obs second-hand market tomorrow, and I won't be taking Nova to that one because she's actually really difficult. Beanie, stop pulling, please. So yeah, we're just going to walk around a little bit more, then I'm going to head home to my side of the world, and then potentially go out tonight to a friend for a braai, so that'll be really nice. And yeah, we'll just see what happens. These vlogs are take it as they come and not plan them out too far in advance. So yeah, I will talk to you later. Okay, bye. Guess what I did? I bought another plant.
Many hours later.
How's it?
What's up, vlog? It's many hours later, and my phone died, and I drank a bottle of wine, and I'm a little bit drunk, and now we're in the queue for McDonald's.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Touch the M, touch the M. Oh, it's loose. What the fuck? Doesn't mean.
So yeah, now we're just getting food. And we were at a friend's house and we hung out and we had a fucking fantastic night. It was one of the best nights I've had in a crazy long time. So yeah, I'm a bit drunk and we're just gonna get some food, and Cloud is still making noise in the background of all my vlogs.
Food.
What do you mean?
Like there's a whole bunch of flashing food. Somebody dropped it out, obviously when they were collecting it.
That's crazy.
That's so sad.
Why didn't you just open your door to like get the food back in?
No, it's very squashed. No, I don't know. They obviously dropped it on the floor. Like, I'm not fucking touching that because it's touched the ground.
Oh, maybe. It's weird.
They're probably like you.
No, like if you drop my McDonald's right now onto the floor, just open the door and grab it out and bring it back in. Wouldn't just leave it.
You can't really just switch it off because it switched the fan on.
Yeah, my car's broken. Good morning, vlog! It's a Sunday and we're off to another market. I know this weekend vlog is probably going to be muddled and lots of like small little clips, but last night I went out, I had too much to drink and I couldn't vlog at all. And now this morning we're off, well not this morning, this afternoon, it's like 1 o'clock. We're off to Observatory, to the second-hand market to go check that out. My sister's got a stand there, so I want to go check that out. And can I say I want to go check that out anymore? Probably, yeah. What else? Yeah, so this weekend's just been like a little bit muddled. Yesterday we went to a market, I took some clips. Today I'm going to another market, so it's going to be a market vlog. I haven't vlogged too much at all. Had some stuff going on that just has made it like very hard and awkward to vlog. So yeah, we'll see what footage we can get and what I can string together to make this vlog interesting. But otherwise, let's just go hang out and look at secondhand stuff. I like secondhand markets more than I like normal markets because stuff's cheaper generally and you find like more little treasures. So yeah, I'm keen to do that. But yeah, check you in Hot Bay, not Hot Bay, fucking Ops.
In a good way. Yeah. Brian, I'm gonna be honest with you, that smells like pure gasoline.
60% of the time, it works. Every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Trying to find jeans to turn into shorts. So we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, we're trying to.
Okay, so I'm here. I just dropped my dog off with my sister for 2 seconds just to take a break so I can record because she's crazy active. I found a place that sells like really nice secondhand jeans, so I'm just trying to get a size 34 in my size maybe, and then I want to cut them into cool high-waisted shorts. Tasha, I'll link her channel down below, and she does that really cool DIY on how to do shorts, and that's what I want to do with these, because I have a pair of high-waisteds but they don't actually fit me and I feel like I'm squeezing myself into them. So let's see what I can do with these. What's up vlog? I'm home now. Yeah, I just kind of want to explain like what's going on with this vlog. It's all over the place. I've had some personal stuff going on in my life at the moment that obviously I can't talk about on the internet, and it's made it very hard and awkward for me to vlog this weekend. I also took Nova with me to the markets for the first time. I know I said I wasn't going to take her today, but I felt really bad just to leave her at home when I was going to a dog-friendly place, so I took her with. It's very hard for me to vlog with Nova as well. She's not very good on the lead. She pulls and tugs, and my phone went flying a couple of times and stuff like that, but what can you do? So I think this vlog is going to be quite short. It might not be short. I always say it's going to be short, and it's a 12-minute long vlog, so I'm not too sure. But I bought some really cool Levi jeans that I'm going to turn into high-waisted shorts. And yeah, we're just going to take it from there. I might go to Chapman's Peak for a sunset tonight, and we'll see. But yeah, so I just wanted to explain what's going on. If I'm very sporadic all over the place and I don't really have the energy or inspiration to sit in front of a camera and talk at the moment with everything that's going on. So yeah, that's what's going on. But hopefully in the next week it will all change and everything will be better and nice. And I bought some cool stuff from my sister that I will talk about just now that'll help with my anxiety. And yeah, so I'll chat to you later.